In this video, we are going to learn how to give permissions to a user to view the library in the Mail and Deploy hub. We have already added a standard user here in the Mail and Deploy Management console. At the moment, this user does not have access to view the library in the Mail and Deploy hub. In order to show you this, we will log into the Mail and Deploy hub with an incognito browser. There we immediately get the message that the access to the Mail and Deploy hub was denied. As it is a standard user, he or she has no access at all to the hub. Now we want to give permissions to this user so he or she is able to see the library in the hub. Therefore, we go to Authorizations. We click Create Authorization, then we select Workspace Authorization from the list. Now we give access to the empty demo workspace to our user named user in the user container, and we click Add Value and give the permission View Library. We click Save. Then we go back to our hub and refresh the browser. Now the Mail and Deploy library is active. In order to see a report, we need to give the user now the corresponding permission. We go back to Authorizations. We click again Create Authorization, and this time we select Report Authorization from the list. We allow the user to view the regional sales report. Again, we select the username user in the user container, and we click Add Value and select Request. We click Save. Then we switch to the Mail and Deploy hub and refresh the browser once again. And now you can see that our user can see the reports as well. This way, Mail and Deploy makes it pretty easy to give non-Qlik users the possibility to view reports out of Qlik. In addition, you have a lot of possibilities to limit and expand Qlik content which users can request, view and download via the Mail and Deploy hub. Thanks for watching.